welcome back to Sayogini, and I hope you guys are doing well. So today is day 3 of our 21-day habit building series. Also, just in case you have missed the earlier days, I'm going to leave the link to the 21-day yoga series playlist over here, and you can start your journey anytime. So yeah, let's begin. Get on your mat, kneeling down position. Slowly bring your hands in front. Spread your fingers wide and tuck your toes in. Now slowly push your hips up and lengthen your spine. You can bend your knees, but do not compromise on the movement of your spine. Like, try and not to hunch, and just keep breathing. Keep your spine straight. We will breathe and we will stay here for 3 breaths. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Once more. Inhale, exhale. Drop your knees down. Sit back and relax. Take a deep breath. Get back to kneeling position. Take your hands in front of you. Spread your fingers. Tuck your toes and lift your hips up. You will stay here for 3 breaths. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last time. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhaling, try to touch your heels to the ground. Now slowly come back to kneeling down and sit back. Relax your body. Keep breathing. Okay, now lie down on your mat. To lie down, make sure you just sit and lie down, taking support of your hand by the side, and then lie down on your stomach. Lying down on your stomach, and then keep your head down. Forehead will touch the ground. Keep your palms beside your chest, your elbows pointing upwards. Keep your feet together, hip width apart, and inhaling, take your head up. Stay here. 1, 2, 3. Exhaling, bring your forehead down. We will repeat this 2 more times. Inhaling, raise your head up. Do not put much pressure on your hands or palms, and try to raise your head up based on your back strength. Exhaling, bring your head down. Once more. Inhaling, raise your head up. 1, 2, 3. Exhaling, bring your head down. Release your hands and now lie down on your back. Lie down on your back And keep your heels closer to your hips. Left hand by your side, palms facing upwards. Keep your right hand on your belly, and you can keep your feet a bit apart from each other and let your knees touch each other. Now relax your whole body, close your eyes, concentrate on your breathing. Relax your whole body. Concentrate on the movement of your belly. Keep breathing. Relax your whole body. Now slowly turn to one side and sit. So thank you for your practice. I hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know in the comments below how you feel after this short practice. Thank you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.